Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Alrighty. AK.
I caught her off guard.
No, I was just thinking, because I know I made a sale that I haven't printed a label for because, well, it's 2 items, and I just don't know once I add the box and like the bag weight, how much it's going to be, so I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to tell you guys about that sale. Anyways, this sale, so this is a vest. It's in this kind of a bag because it's a little too puffy to fit even in our bigger clear plastic, so this is just Cold Water Creek vest. I got this from the bins. I had an average cost of goods that day of $1.75, so that's what I have into it. It sold for $14 on Posh. That was an offer that came in this morning that I accepted because I just wanted to move this along. We have had it probably at least 6 months, although 6 months ago was kind of like when it was getting hot out. So
yeah,
it makes sense that it's selling now, but I didn't want to hold it any longer. So.
And so that is Poshmark, and we're going to use that.
Well, I'm going to put that
eBay poly back on there, and then use a box, right? Yeah. What do you think? A
B?
A B. I think you're right.
Just because it's kind of fluffy. This?
Yeah. Yep.
Cool.
Poshmark, you can use regional A's and B's and flat rates for the regular shipping rate. So we use these B's for Poshmark pretty much only.
All right, so 10 or BR. This is another Ben's Find. Just a super random thing that I picked up because it was in really good shape. It's just a brand. It's just SL. I don't know if that. I don't even know where that sold at. I only bought it because it was like a Sherpa vest in really good shape. I feel like it's like a junior sizing. It might be sold at like Kohl's or something. I really don't know. I would never pick it up at a normal thrift. Anyhow, I have $1.54 into that one. Sold for $10.81 plus shipping. So not huge money, but I'll take that. That one's under £1, so it's just gonna go out in a bigger poly mailer, which, I mean, the lemons aren't really good for a fluffy Sherpa vest.
Why not?
I'm just gonna do an eBay mailer, mostly because this one is, these were technically free and this wasn't that. The bigger mailers cost like 30, 40 cents
Yeah,
a piece,
40 something cents.
This was a free mailer.
Try to keep our costs down.
For a cheaper rate. Don't ask why my brand even cares about that. All right, this was a good sale I woke up to. These are just some Sanuk men's shoes. They are new at Tag. I got these up in Denver at a Goodwill for $6.99, and someone bought them my full list price $50. So I get 40. Really good sale. Those should fit in maybe a regionally flat, but we don't. Oh, we do have some.
I think we need to put a new order in for some more USPS materials because we're expecting there's going to be a shortage soon. Yeah. We kind of recommend getting those now for the holiday season if you're expecting any good sales during that time.
Posh has been, well, because of Posh I assume, I think.
Right.
My Posh sales have been up. eBay, I wouldn't say eBay's down, but like
just
it's
down,
definitely slower.
just down, just one down.
Than I feel like it was at one point. So I don't know if that's my doing by, adding Posh VA, in which case more stuff selling elsewhere. Because we list the same items everywhere. Yeah. So I don't know. I feel like I'm listing more, yet I'm seeing more sales elsewhere than eBay. So
right.
Anyways,
I kind of feel like that's more because we do cross list. Obviously, if we didn't cross list and we listed everything on eBay, we would have more sales on eBay. Yeah. But I think overall our sales are more because we do cross list. I think that's my personal opinion. There's no real data to back that up other than just gut feeling. But yeah, that's my opinion.
So, then I sold these Skechers Shape Ups, like fisherman sandals, on Poshmark. These sold for, someone offered me $35. I think I had them listed at $50, so I was happy to accept that. I only bought them for $7.99 at Goodwill. Those, just a shoebox, I think. Right. Easy day with the shipping. Yeah, most of the sales today were Poshmark, so AM. is just a soft surrounding sweater. I picked this up after my jury duty for $3 at an estate sale, and it sold for $22 with discount shipping, so someone accepted the Poshmark VA offer. So yeah, not bad. I think that would
Another
be
regional
good.
B.
Yeah. It's good for those fluffy things. All right, and then BP. This is the brand Appa Man. If you ever see this little monkey guy, that's a good kids brand to look out for.
Trying to get no glare on there.
So this is just a, you can see 4T toddler suit. These retail for like 100, like maybe 170. It's like a ridiculous amount. So I bought this off Kitizen for $15 for my son to wear. I think he wore it like on Mother's Day or Easter or something. And I knew that I could get all my money back. And then it sold yesterday on Posh for $50.
Wow.
That was an offer someone sent me. I listed it maybe 70 or something like that. And I was happy to take 50. So yeah, I've been sending out offers on eBay for like 40. So 50 means I make 40 plus the buyer paid shipping. So very happy with that. I more than doubled my money and my kid wore it for some cute pictures. So Poshmark, I think that would be good in like maybe this guy.
Yeah.
Regional A. All right, and then AC. This is actually a viewer sale, although I don't know your name. The name that they have on their label is like their business name, which I'll just say it's Flip Hustling.
Yeah.
And they said they are a viewer, and they were looking for some sandals. They stumbled across these, and then on Mercari, you don't really see who's selling the item unless you scroll like all the way down, and they noticed it was our shop, and then they were like, oh cool, and happy to buy. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. They picked these up for $55 plus shipping, and I have $4.90 into them average cost of goods that day. So really great sale. Very thankful.
Thank you for the accidental support. Flip Hustling. Is that what it was? Flip Hustling?
Yeah. At first, before I saw their message, because I didn't see their message till like today. I think they bought them last night, like when we were asleep or something. But once I saw their message, when I woke up and saw the sale, I thought Mercari was handing out coupons like yesterday, I think, for if you did their listing challenge. So I did get a coupon that I need to spend. They usually expire within like a week or something. So if you listed like 30 items in this 1 week time period, they would send you 20 off 50. So I thought maybe that was something like that. So if you're watching, let me know if you got that coupon or if you were just looking for some keens and happened to find ours. So those are FedEx Smart Post. So we're just gonna use one of these eBay boxes that I got for free with my coupon. So 2 more weeks till we get our new coupon. And yeah, so that's that. And then we have the last two. Let me grab the items. I know where they are.
Oh yeah, these were the two shackets, or no? Or are they flannels?
I mean, I guess you
I guess that's
whatever. So these sold
like a
to
coat.
the same person, which always makes me think it's a viewer, but they did not leave a message or anything. So if you are a viewer, thank you. I don't have your name here yet.
Yeah, we didn't print the label out on these just yet because we weren't quite sure how much they were going to come in at the final weigh-in.
So if you're a viewer, Robin, thank you. So these are just two LL Bean, I call them barn coats. This one I picked up probably a year ago at Salvation Army for $6.99. This one I picked up a few months back at an estate sale for $3. So I have about $10 into them. She paid $26.59 for one, $27.48 for the other, and then plus shipping. But we do keep all our weights in there. So these two jackets came out to about 3 pounds, 6 ounces. But I'm gonna bag each one individually and then probably put them in the 13 by 9 box.
It's the big square one.
Which, yeah, I think it'll probably just come over 4 pounds, which is fine.
Yeah, since we didn't have them bagged yet, which I don't know, do you think those will fit in our clear cellophane bags? They might be a little tight.
Not the clears, definitely. So I was gonna put them in these. We have these like really big bags.
Oh yeah, these.
Usually used for jackets. They're like 24 by 24 or something. Just got these off
Just like a
Amazon.
regular poly mailer.
Yeah.
Big one, not a regular one.
And honestly, I don't even know if these two jackets together are gonna fit in this box because they're kind of fluffy. So we'll figure that out.
We'll figure that out.
We'll let you guys know at the end of the video. But yeah, it's either going to be a 4-pound or 5-pound package. My guess is a 5-pound package, which it's only like $1 difference for shipping.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what we sold today.
So we're gonna get this stuff packed up, and I got a notification on my phone that it's a thunderstorm warning, and it's looking pretty dark. Oh, there was some thunder there. I noticed it was super dark just recently, so that's hopefully the boys don't get all wet getting out of school. But we're gonna pack this stuff up, and we'll be right back. I want to show how little Reese cares. What's going on?
What's outside? You wanna look? Look out there. It's hailing. He does not care.
I don't know how loud it is, guys. Unfortunately, we got a hailstorm going on, but we have...
We get this all summer, and we didn't really get it at all this summer, so...
That's true. Hopefully it's not unbearably awful sound, but we have to close it out because we got to get this stuff off to the post office. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail, I guess.
Yep.
So, yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Gotta go pick up the boys in this great weather and get the stuff off to the post office. All right, guys, the storm has came and went. Well, at least it's slowed down a little bit right now, but we got a river going down our street.
Crazy. It looks like it snowed.
It does look like it snowed. We forgot to mention, we were going to say how we packed those coats. So that's...
They did fit in here. We did have to squeeze them a little, but...
It was a little tight, but...
Extra tape. But yeah, it was 4.5 pounds, so not even close to 4. I don't know why I thought I could get it under 4, but yeah. So it was $1 extra to ship them, but the buyer already paid the shipping anyway, so that did not matter. Other than that, our board is updated. So last night, I think this was at 7, so I did 10 more last night during live listing. So yeah, and then today, so the 7 plus the 10 from yesterday all got cross-posted this morning to all platforms, and then today I listed 19 brand new items, but just to eBay so far, and then I'll cross-post those tomorrow morning. And we didn't get around to doing our second haul video yet, but we're gonna probably do that tonight when our kids go to bed, just because it's hard to record when they're awake because they're just loud. So yeah. So that will be coming out soon, and more listings going up. It's been nice to actually get new listings up and not feel as stressed about it. So
absolutely. Reese just sleeping through the storm. Looks like it's picking up again, but we're gonna call it a good day, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.